You want to start forex trading? Wait. Don't scroll. Wait. You must know these three things as a beginner before you start forex trading, okay? Meanwhile, if today is your first time of jamming this my video on YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends and family, and don't hesitate to hit the notification bell. So whenever I drop a video like this, you get notified, okay? There are three things you need to know about forex trading before you start trading as a beginner. Number one thing is called lot size calculation. You must know the amount you want to use in trading. You must know the amount you're about to risk, and then the profit you're about to get when you place your trades. Okay, this thing you need to know them before you can start forex trading. Okay, you don't trade blindly. You must know what you are risking and what you're about to gain before you can start trading. So when you don't know these things, that means you're trading blindly. Don't trade blindly, because you are going to lose a lot of money when you don't know all these rules I'm about to show you in this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to calculate the lot sizes and the amount you're about to risk, the amount you're about to gain in this video. Okay, kindly stay to the end of this video. Don't skip any part, because if you do, you are going to miss important part of this video. Okay, now let's dive into this video and let me show you how you calculate your lot size, okay, and the amount of the account you are using. Okay, if you're using 100k account, I'm going to show you how you calculate them. Now let's dive into this video.
So you head over to your Chrome browser or Google. You type for God Love University, the first site here. You click on it. This very one. Hope you've seen it. This very one here. Okay, this very one. This one. Okay. So you click on it. Let's wait for it to open. As you welcome to God Love University, the hub of Forex trading, all Forex trading solution from the awarding winning A to Z Forex courses. So if you want to log in with these people, you are free. All you need to do is click on this login button here. Click on this login button. All you need to do is click on this login button here. So once you do that, you log in, enter every details that is necessary that you're asked to put. So but what I'm interested here now is for me to show you how you can um calculate your lot size. Okay, trading calculator. Forex trading calculators are virtual tools for traders. The margin calculator helps traders determine their lot size based on their risk appetite or strategy. The profit calculator is used to calculate potential profit and loss and determine risk-reward ratio before entering a trade. The position size pips and position size price calculators allow traders to enter positions that fall within their risk management parameters. The pip value calculator is helpful in getting the actual value per pip and is virtual to overall accuracy while managing positions or creating a trade strategy. Here are those tools here. You see margin calculator, you see profit calculator, you see position size pips, you see pip value, you see position size price. These things, if any one you want to calculate, you see currency pair. If you want to check euro USD, you click on it. Like for instance, I want to check XAUSD. You have to scroll to check it. Okay, you have to scroll to the very place you want, because this one is not the one you are going to search. Just scroll until you get the pair you want to calculate on. Okay, this very tool is very important. Okay, here is XAUSD. You click on it, you add it. XAUSD. Account currency is USD. Then you write margin ratio here. Okay, you write the margin ratio, you write trade size, that's the lots you want to trade. If it is one lot, then you add it and then click on calculate. Now the next one is profit calculation. You put the pairs you want to, you are trading. The currency is USD already. You put the lot size that you are trading already. You put your open price, you put your close price, and then you add if it is a long position or a short position, then you click on calculate. Okay, now this one is position size pips. Okay, which pip is it? 20 pip, is it 10 pip? You add it here, you put your stop loss. Okay, percentage risk, these things is very very easy. You might be asking, how do you get all these details? I will show you how you get the details. Maybe you don't know, you are just trading blindly, so that's why you need to stay to the end of this video for me to show you how you get these details and then apply them here. Okay, now the next one is position size price. All these things, the pair you are trading, if it is GJ, that's the GBP JPY. Okay, if you are trading GBP JPY, then you add it, or XAUSD or Euro USD, any pair you are trading at all, you add it. Now you add your size, that's the equity, your account size. Okay, now you add the percentage risk, that's risk percentage. You add the entry price, then you add stop loss price, then you click on calculate, then you will see results. So now let me go ahead to show you how you get all these details. If you are trying to take a trade, let me show you how you get the details to put here. Now we move over to the chart. In this place, if you want to take a buy, or that's a long position or a short position, which is sell. Now when you select it, and then the next thing you're going to do is click on setting. Okay, click on setting, and then you're going to see different settings. Then add all those your risk reward ratio that is written on that your long position or your sell position. Then take all those details, and then you go back to that site, or that God Love University, and then you paste it there. You take it to that site and then add it there. So if you find value in this very video, please don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends and family, and don't hesitate to hit the notification bell, so whenever I drop a video like this, you get notified.